Hello everyone, welcome back to the Sarah channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make real good tea out of the basil leaves from your herb garden. All you will need is fresh basil leaves, a coffee filter, water, a mug, and a microwave. And also a spoon and a sweetener of your choice if you like your tea sweetened. Okay, so here is our basil plant. I'm just going to pick like 5 leaves off of it. That should be good for 1 small cup of tea. And try to get some pretty big leaves. This one, that one's good. Okay, and now we'll take them inside. So first I'm going to remove all the bad spots, like maybe some dark circles or something. Okay, and now we're just washing them. Trying to get all the dirt or whatever would be on them off of it. Okay, and now we're going to dry them and place them leaf by leaf onto my little clay tray over here. Okay, and now we're just going to place them in direct sunlight and leave them there for a few days, maybe like 3 or 4 days, and then we'll come back and get them. So once your leaves are all dried out and crunchy like these are, you're going to take your coffee filter and crunch the leaves into the coffee filter. And if they're not falling apart super easily, that's fine. You just try to get them in there as small as possible. Or you could do it in big chunks, which I do sometimes. Okay, so then we're going to take our coffee filter and twist it up like this. And now we're going to get our water ready. And we're going to set the timer for 2 minutes. Okay, so now we're taking it to the table. Okay, so now we're going to place our tea bag into the water and let it steep for 4 minutes. Okay, so it has now been 4 minutes, and I'm just gonna squeeze all the extra juice out. Okay, so I removed the tea bag, and this is our final product, but I do like sugar in it, so I'm going to add a little bit of that. Okay, so I'm just going to add a little bit of sugar because probably doesn't need a lot, like that much maybe. Okay, and let's stir it in. And then let's try it. Okay, let's try this. It's hot. Definitely sweeter than I thought it would be. But yeah, it's very good. It tastes like you put a regular tea bag in there. Tastes like tea. So yes, definitely better than I thought it would be. Like, a lot of people think that basil is like this Italian seasoning that's more of a savory thing. But if it's dried out, it smells sweet and it tastes sweet in tea. So definitely something different to try. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you did, please like and subscribe for new videos every Saturday. I hope that you have a wonderful day. Bye!